Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to mark weekly AUI, that is weekly area of interest. So pay attention to this video, it will be very short. Okay, so when you come to your chart, you go to weekly time frame. Now looking at this chart, you will see that this market is an uptrend. Looking at the market structure, we are on uptrend on this market. And then why are we on uptrend? If you look at here, we had a break of structures here. Market was coming down here. This was our last lower high that was taken out. So market is on uptrend. So we are going to mark the market structure and then find our AOI. So pay attention. So looking at this market on weekly, we are doing higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high. So we are between this swing. If you want to mark your weekly AOI, you must mark it within an area of swing high and swing low. So this is our swing. This is our swing. This is our swing, our recent swing. So here, I mark here, this is our last higher low. And this is our last higher high. Let me just mark them. Swing high, swing low. Let me just keep it this way. You don't need to complicate any stuff here. Just take it as you see it. Just know that this is weekly. Yeah, there are a lot of structures here, but whatever you see inside here should be your daily structure, not your weekly structure. So looking at this, then let's mark our AOI. What is our AOI? AOI is area of interest, and area of interest is a point where you will see a resistance and a support. In other words, we call it supply and demand zone. Supply and demand zone. So looking at this market, we now look well within these swings, this swing high. Let me level it. Swing low. This swing low. Let me put it at the bottom. Okay. Sorry. Let me put it at the bottom. This swing low. Let me save it for next time. And this swing high. So good. Now looking at this market, you should look for two places where market reacted. So what you should be doing now is to be looking for all these resistance, all these places. You look at this, you now look at your left to know whether you have any support there. So I saw one AOI here, weekly AOI. If you look at this place, this is a weekly AOI because we have this resistance here and we have this support. Then you level it. It's just very simple. Level it. I would have put a box, but there is no point. I don't want to make my chart look irritating. So I come up to this place and check if I have area of support. You check. One, we don't have valid area of support. Then we look at this zone 2. Do we have support? We have this resistance, we have this support. We just mark it. Just mark it and level it. That's all. You now look for other ones. There is no other AOI here. There is no other. We have this. It's as simple as this. You come down to your daily. So on weekly, you just level your chart on weekly time frame. Weekly, you are bullish. Go down to daily. Go down to daily time frame. You don't need to complicate this. On daily time frame, you watch on daily time frame, on daily time frame. What are we having here? On daily time frame, we have this. Is this a high? Yes, it is. We have this. Then market is still within this swing. Just like weekly, we are still bullish on daily. You are bullish on daily time frame, But if you just want to do, like while marking my structure, I just keep my mind open in order not to complicate things, So on daily, we are bullish. So looking at this on daily, then I will now look for daily AOI to know if I can see one. Remember what I said before. You just come to all these zones. We look at this place. Is there any support here? Yes, there is. Now we mark this as my daily AOI. I don't normally use this daily AOI, but I will just mark it because I have resistance. I have support. Let me just level it. So even if you want to mark this one by one, this is the market. In case you don't understand what I marked about the market structure, this is our last lower high, and this is higher high, So market is within these two swings. So you don't need to put a lot of line on your chart. All these ones are okay, So if you want to trade, for example, today now we will be trading within this zone, this 1, 2. It's either market comes up here again, we take a sell, if market comes up there. Take a sell, or if market comes down here, we take a buy. So that's just it. It's that simple. Then you go down to 4-hour time frame. 4 hours is where normally you will take your entry. So if, for example, market breaks this place, so on 4-hour time frame, let me check the structure. The market structure on 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, we have, let's just mark, this is bearish. Let's just mark this. Then all these are consolidations. Then we have this high here. We have taken, let me zoom in. So somehow we are on the area of consolidation on this power time frame. You know, we are not that bearish. We are not that bearish. So looking on this power time frame. All these things I have marked all these things before, you know. You see how market respected this. So if market came here and broke, if market had taken this area, for example, then we entered retest. Then any day market takes, the entry is always on these AOIs. Any day market takes this weekly AOI, we enter. So you always buy at higher low or sell at lower high, you know. So yesterday, I think market touched this weekly AOI, rejected it. You know, you have nothing to do because you are not buying any stuff on this higher. This is like a higher high. You know, you don't need to risk anything. You must wait to see market break structure. Maybe you go to 1 hour time frame, wait for market to break structure. Let me put RSI on this chart. So this is RSI. So on this 1 hour time frame, we are having all this. Then if you want to mark 1 hour from here, you can mark 1 hour structure. Our structure is this. So 1 hour, on 1 hour we are bearish. Lower time frame we are bearish. And you know most of our entries are on lower time frames. So even yourself, oh wow. I have something on DXY, one beautiful markup on DXY. Exactly what just happened here. You know, you see how this weekly and EMA and negative 61.8 just rhymed. So on this place, this stuff here. This stuff here, this market is fucking bullish. EJ is fucking bullish. But we need a retest. Let me mark this one. This market is fucking bullish. This will be like a 4 hour AOI. This market is fucking bullish, bro. This market is fucking bullish. This market is fucking bullish because we have had this impulse. You know, it's a good thing we pay attention to what market is doing. And this is why top-down analysis is very good, so important. We have this. Our market have made this impulse. So what we will now be looking for, this is a divergence. If you look at it well, this is a beautiful divergence. Look at this. And then look at this. Oh, I marked a different analysis. Look at this and then look at this. Look at this, please. See what happened here. Now look at this. This is a beautiful trade. So How this market will confuse people. You know, we just put our trend line, entries on SHIB. You know, this Fibonacci I drew here, I think it has expired. So our new SHIB will be this. Our new SHIB will be this. 0.8 to 0.2. This will be our new SHIB. You know, this will be our new SHIB. Love this market. I love trading. And this trading will give me billions of dollars very soon. You know, I don't like all this color on my chart. Like, everything looks good. Wonderful, marvelous. So we still go down to lower time frame. Then just know that this market is potentially bullish. If this market touches, you know, we might have a good buy. Now this is this area of consolidation. Market consolidated at this area. You know, this also, let me zoom out to know what this place is up to. Not so much. Where these consolidations here. Let me just mark it. The market might come down. Okay. If you go to lower time frame, this will be a zone. So let me just I just want to put this negative 27, negative 61.8. You know. We will see how these charts, how these stops play out. They will all play out. Let me level it. 87. And then negative 61.8. Negative 61.8. Keep saving. Let me run the feed. Okay. So let's go down to 1 hour to check if we're going to see a trade. My chart have looked tattered. This is a clean divergence. Oh, okay. We have this bearish divergence on 1 hour time frame. You know, just mark it. But let me just go down to 30 minutes straight. Straight up. Let me go here straight up and see, you know, our entry is always at 30 minutes. we have this. Just know that whatever we are going to take, any short we are taking here, is a counter trend. We have this divergence here, and we have this market have formed. This is our last higher high. So this is just seeing the right now money, So you should be careful with all this. Seeing the right now money. So you put your fib, because your entry will always be entry on fib. Entry on fib must, for you to get a perfect entry, your entry must be an entry on fib. So this trade is on already. The trade is on already. So if you are to take this trade, you will take it this way at the retest of this trend line. Since you put your stop loss above this, then your take profit should be at -27, because the fib only retested, okay, touched 61. So this will be this daily AOI will be our take profit. But just know that this is a counter trend. We are on uptrend on this trade, but this is a counter trend. So mind you. So that's that, bro. That's that, Mercy. Mercy, I made this video for you. It looks a little bit professional. I know you understand market structure, so I'm sending it to you right away. How many minutes is remaining? Okay, let me show you something on DXY. Let me show you AOI on DXY so that it will sync. Let me show you something on DXY. DXY TVC. Okay, let's go there. DXY, come to weekly time frame. Looking at DXY from weekly time frame, you see we are just bullish. Is this DXY? Looking at DXY on weekly time frame, we are fucking bullish. We are bullish. Looking at this, we are bullish. On weekly. All these things you are seeing are just daily markups. So this thing that DXY is doing here is like a retest. Then remember what I told you. So here we have this resistance. Do we have a support? Yes, we have. This place is like a support. So we have to mark it. You can use box here. Oh, I hate putting on this box. Let's just use line. Just put it here. Let it just be under. We are technical analysts, so we should just pay attention to all this. We're looking at the XY on daily, we have this lower low, lower high. So we might form another lower low, or from here, might just break up, retest, and continue. Who knows? This is just weekly. We're just here to pick our AOIs and leave, So let me just level this for weekly AOI. Then we have another weekly AOI around here. This is our weekly AOI. You agree with me? Yes. We have this resistance, support resistance. We level it. That's all. We are done here. We move straight to daily time frame. Daily time frame, yeah, we are bullish. We are bearish. Because of what? Because we have this. Oh, no, bro. We have this. We have this. So this is lower high. We'll form another lower low. There, who knows? Just this is just weekly, daily. So we look for daily AOI. Is there any? This is resistance. So we have a support. Yes, we do. We do. We have all the, but is it important to mark it and fill up our chart? Well, we can just mark it. We can just mark it. Support resistance. Though this thing is not a good support. But let's just mark it. Since market have purchased there. Then let's fly down for our time frame. On 4-hour time frame, looking at this market, we are bearish on this market. Look at this is just our entry, our perfect entry. This is divergence. This is our entry on conferences. We have this higher high here. We have this higher low, and market took it. So this is where the structure changed. So we put our shape here from point A to point B. These are our weekly AOIs. Maybe we didn't mark it well. You should rhyme. I will check that weekly stuff. You should have rhymed with this. You see, this thing is a reversal. So look at this, our trend line. This is entries on SHIB. See, perfect entry. Entries on SHIB are straight to negative 61.8. Let me check this weekly mark. Okay, I took this down too much. Supposed to bring it up. For you to rhyme, what I'm trying to get is the base of this stuff. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. This is our entry, like entry on FIB, like the confluence we are using divergence, break and retest of trend line, negative 61.8. So we have exactly this. Where am I? Oh wow. Like we are having the same traits here. We have this, oh, pretty, almost the same thing. You know, this is our divergence, break obstruction, retest of trend line. That's it, you know. So always the same thing. So let's see if this thing will play out this way again. So since we are on our area of, since we are on our 61.8, we will put this fib. This is a minor structure fib. I mean trend line. If market breaks this trend line retest, we'll be looking for GXY to go. So just look at this perfect stuff. Let me just screenshot it. I send it to Mercy. She's sending me messages. Let me screenshot this too and send it to her. She's the most brilliant forex trader I know. So I'll be ending this video. Have a nice day.